I always get a lot of questions about the stuff I use to clean my machines, and I mainly use this called Chante Clair. It's an Italian-made all-round or all-purpose cleaning solvent, but it's extremely good for old coolant and grease, so you spray on a layer and you can see the old dirt just running down. This and a product called CB100 from BioCircle. I don't have any more at the moment, but that's also a good brand. And afterwards, I give it a layer of WD-40 over the paint, and then it will get nice and shiny again. So it's giving it a nice layer of, it shines a bit more. Of course, this will not last forever, but I give them a new layer once in a while, and then they are easier to wipe off when needed. So those are the two main products I use. Often, if you need to remove old coolant is one of the best things to use as well. But if you have to remove a lot of dirt, and then you maybe have a bucket of water, and then clean it with a sponge or a brush, and then it will get everywhere. If you use something like this, it will be more controllable, and it will be in the area where you put it. So I prefer using a sprayer over a bucket and a sponge. So that's why I use those. This one you can get from eBay, I normally buy it from eBay, and I bought it in 5 liters bottles, so they last quite long, and it cost 30 euros or something for that amount. So it's quite cheap for what it is. And WD-40 in the non-bottle spray can, I got it from a local DIY store. So, and it works very well as well. So, yes, thank you for watching.